In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify URL. This is a crucial piece of information for any Shopify store owner, whether you're just starting out or you're already running a thriving online business. Knowing your Shopify URL allows you to share your store with potential customers and is key to accessing your live site with ease. Let's begin this short and straightforward process by navigating through your Shopify dashboard. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings option. Give that a click. Once you've done this, shift your focus to the top left of your screen. You should see your store name prominently displayed, and just below that, you'll find your store URL. This is the unique web address of your online store and essentially serves as your digital storefront. You have the option to copy your store URL from here. Simply clicking it allows you to store it so you can quickly share with friends, potential customers, or on your social media platforms. Sharing your store URL is a great way to invite people to explore your products and services. Moreover, you can try opening this URL in a new browser tab to directly access your live site just to see how it looks from a visitor's perspective. Now, there's also an alternative method to find your Shopify URL. You might find this useful depending on where you naturally navigate within your Shopify account. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a section labeled Online Store. Hover your cursor over this option. As soon as you do, a little eye icon will pop up. Clicking on this icon takes you directly to your online store, but more importantly, it also highlights your store URL in the browser's URL bar. This method gives you a real-time view of your live site and is handy for checking any changes or updates you might have recently made. And that's it. There you have it. 2 simple ways to locate your Shopify URL, whether it's checking the URL under your store's name and settings, or hovering over the online store and clicking the eye icon. Each method is quick and convenient. With your Shopify URL now in hand, you're well equipped to share your store with the world or just safeguard a handy link to your digital shop. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more tutorials if you need further guidance or have any questions about optimizing your Shopify store. Happy selling!